Hello guys, and in today's video we're going to be continuing the Roblox Grow a Garden series. We started this series the last video and we stopped at 61k, which is actually pretty good because one of randoms I don't know now is my friend. He just gave me cocos. So yeah, it really helped me. But let's get right into the video. So first off, I'm going to be seeing what's in the stock. Nothing too crazy. I guess I'm just going to buy something. I might just buy the whole stock, to be honest. It doesn't really hurt. Okay, I'm going to be planting those. It's my first tomato as well. Here, the strawberries are going to be going here. I'm gonna harvest those. I'm not doing too bad. Wait, I need to plant my carrots as well. I'm gonna take these, now carrots. Planting those randomly. Okay, let's go. Now I must see what actually I can get my first pet. Should I do it? Should I not? Okay, you know what? I might just do it. It doesn't hurt. Okay, actually it does a little bit, but still. Oh, never mind. It's here. Put this here. 10 minutes, okay. The video is going to be lasting that long. Lucky harvest. I'm going to plant this. Okay, it's not even. Okay. No, the stock has not restocked yet, but soon it will. I think I'm going to go sell everything. 2k, okay, that is a what? Okay, I got a badge, I guess. I don't know. But now I guess I might just wait because I don't know what to do right now. Wait, no. The seed stock is restocking. Okay, it already restocked. Buy those, buy these. Now is there anything else? Apple seed. Okay, it's my first legendary. That's good. Good start. But it will take time to grow, so I think it will only grow in the next video. Like fully. So yeah. Strawberries. I should actually sort them, so maybe in the future look at and travel and move these plants. Or I'll just delete some if I don't need to start back. Okay, no, this ain't worth it. 99 Robux for this. No. What? Maybe there's like. Oh no, I can't even buy the sprinklers. Yeah, okay. But I'm gonna look at my quests real quick. Okay, it's impossible for me to do. these. Now my carrots are done. Let's see how much. I think I'm gonna get like 3k, maybe 2k. Okay. Now game I just told someone should definitely give me some fruits. Fruit slash plants, I don't know what they call it. Bro, I do not know how to type. Okay, like, and of course it got censored. Okay, harvested those, and I'll go sell. Okay, not even 2k, that was not good. When is this getting restocked? 1 minute, okay, I can wait that long. Now I guess I might just wait. Run around or something, I don't know. Wait, the night event is starting. Okay, well, I cannot get this then because I want them to get whatever it is called, bloodlit or moonlit, I don't know. Okay, 4.3 minutes. The tomatoes are growing really slow. Oh, there's some gold in here, over here as well. Okay, very good. First I'm gonna go see what's in stock. Okay, I do not know how the hell am I supposed to order that? File those, go to my cart, and now I just wait. And plant this. Already rainbow. Oh wow, bro. Planted this. Oh, moonlit. Wait a minute. Take this. Very good. Plant this. Can I? Yep. Now I got 3 tomatoes. Planting this. Strawberries. Wait, no, I have one. I'm gonna go sell this. Now I gotta wait. Okay, again, another carrot. Wait, not another. Okay, I got it. Now we might give it those to this guy. Oh, 2 lunar points, and I cannot even get that. 2 minutes, okay, not too bad, not too bad. Again, now I just gotta wait. Mullet, get that somewhere there. Okay, I got it. Gonna sell this. Okay, actually you can get it. Take this. Okay, let's go. Patata. Okay, bro. Now, I am so dumb, I just gave a moonlit away. Oh my god, how can I make that mistake, bro? Oh my god, I am so freaking dumb. No. Give me some plants. Give me plants. I need more. They're both staring at me. Now I need something better. Wait, no. I'm getting this. And I'm going back. More. This is actually pretty funny. More. Give me more. Where did... Okay, I don't know. Yes. Pigs. This. It was definitely meant for me. I get this is already. What am I gonna... Bunny. I don't really know what it does, so in my look, it's a carrot for... Okay, bro. Seed stock reset. What is the best pumpkin? I don't know how much profit can I make off that, to be honest. So I'm not going to be buying that. And soon I might just go big. Actually, just big, nothing else. Okay, I need to harvest. He wanted a carrot. Sorry, buddy. Now, do I have any more seeds? Yes, I do. Now I don't know where to put these. I'm just put them here. Carrot seeds. Here, my bunny. Give me one, please. In my bag. No, don't run away from me. Okay, bro. Oh, meteor shower. Okay, that's not bad. Take all your unmuted pets. 4 points, okay. Hopefully someone gives. Strike my garden. Now, how much does a rainbow on silver? I'm not sure. Cancel that. Where is it? Rainbow blueberry. It must say trading rainbow blueberry. Let's see, someone going to take the trade even though it's the rainbow blueberry. It's not worth much, trust me. How much is this worth? Oh, 1k, it's not actually too bad. Someone. I guess we did make some pretty good progress if you ask me. Okay, no one's taking the trade. I might just clear out my garden real quick, make as much money as I can. It's actually really annoying to clear those because they just keep growing back and they are so much. There are so much. Max backpack, bro. Maybe 7k. Okay, I was actually pretty close. 2 goldens again. Now can you give me this? Okay, I got it. Some tomatoes, carrots. I'm gonna go sell this. And yeah, I think okay. Take it. Okay, very good. Okay, I guess I'm going to be starting a new series. No, not new series. Okay, I am so tired. Never mind. I'm going to be ending the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.